Today we have an important topic to discuss that could significantly impact your health. High potassium food to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure or hypertension is a widespread health concern globally. This condition can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious health issues. Before we dive into the list of high potassium foods that can help lower blood pressure, let's briefly explain why potassium plays a crucial role in this context. Sodium retention is a leading cause of high blood pressure, and potassium helps the body flush out excessive sodium by incorporating potassium-rich foods into your diet. You can naturally reduce sodium levels and consequently lower your blood pressure. Now you might be wondering, what are these potassium-rich foods and how can I include them in my daily meals? Well, that's what we are here to explore today. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that has gained significant attention for its potential to lower blood pressure. This vegetable is rich in nutrients including potassium, which play a vital role in blood pressure regulating. Researchers investigated the impact of a high potassium diet, which indicated foods like kale on blood pressure levels. The finding revealed that individuals who consumed a diet rich in potassium experienced a notable reduction in their blood pressure readings. Kale, with its substantial potassium content, contributes significantly to these positive results. Kale's potassium content combined with its other beneficial nutrients and antioxidants can help relax blood vessels wall, reduce sodium retention, and ultimately lead to lower blood pressure levels. This makes kale an excellent addition to a heart-healthy diet aimed to managing hypertension. So if you are looking for a natural way to support your blood pressure, consider incorporating kale into your meals. Carrots. Carrots are a well-regarded vegetable known for their many health benefits, including their potential to support blood pressure reduction. These vibrant orange roots are rich in nutrients, particularly potassium, a mineral crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Specific scientific evidence supporting the blood pressure lowering effects. Our research explored the impact of potassium-rich diets, which include food like carrots, on blood pressure regulating. The study's result clearly demonstrated a correlation between high potassium intake and a decrease in blood pressure reading. Carrots, with their notable potassium content, were identified as a significant contributor to this positive outcome. Additionally, carrots are rich in powerful antioxidants such as beta-carotene and lutein. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are factors that can contribute to high blood pressure and cardiovascular problems. Avocados. Avocados, often hailed as a superfood, offer a range of health benefits, including its potential to assist in blood pressure regulation. This creamy green fruit is packed with various nutrients and bioactive compounds that contribute significantly to cardiovascular health. First, avocados are exceptionally high in potassium, a mineral crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. This essential nutrient counteracts the effect of sodium, helping to regulate blood pressure by promoting the excretion of excessive sodium through urine. Moreover, avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats have demonstrated various cardiovascular benefits, including reducing blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. The combination of high potassium and beneficial fats make avocados a powerful contender in promoting healthy heart. Avocados' powerhouse of antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, adds another layer of cardiovascular protection. These potent compounds combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are associated with high blood pressure. Incorporating avocados into your diet can be achieved through various means, such as adding them to salads, spreading them on whole grain toast, or them as a base for smoothies or dips. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them a versatile ingredient in heart-healthy recipes. acid. Tomatoes are a staple in many cuisines around the world, offer numerous health benefits including their potential to support blood pressure regulation. These vibrant red fruits are rich in several key compounds that contribute to cardiovascular health. Tomatoes are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. This essential nutrient plays a vital role in balancing sodium levels in the body, ultimately reducing the risk of high blood pressure. Furthermore, tomatoes are renowned for their high content of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. This compound has demonstrated significant cardiovascular benefits, including reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both key factors in managing blood pressure effectively. To incorporate tomatoes into your diet, they can be easily integrated into various dishes such as salads, soups, sauces, or enjoyed fresh as a snack. Flax seeds, often considered a nutritional powerhouse, offer a range of benefits. These small brown seeds are rich in nutrients and bioactive compounds that can positively impact cardiovascular health. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their heart protective properties, which include reducing inflammation and improving blood vessels function. These effects can contribute to the maintenance of healthy blood pressure levels. Additionally, flax seeds is a rich source of dietary fiber. Soluble fiber in particular can help regulate blood pressure by binding to cholesterol and aiding its excretion from the body. This in turn can lead to better blood vessel health and lower blood pressure. Can you incorporating any of these food into your daily diet? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.